What if our reliance on A for transgene editing is masking a critical flaw that could jeopardize the future of genetic engineering? Imagine a crops engineered to resist pests suddenly failing. This isn't just a nightmare for farmers, it's a brewing crisis hidden beneath our technological advancements. Many remain oblivious to warning signs. Transgene stress signals that indicate something is seriously wrong. We often assume A can catch issues before they escalate, but what if it's not as infallible as we think? Picture a farmer in a field of genetically modified crops. Everything seems fine at first. But as time passes, subtle signs of distress emerge: yellowing leaves, stunted growth. The farmer wonders, did A guarantee success? This is where the hidden flaws become evident. When A overlooks the complexities of plant biology, it makes decisions based on incomplete data. It's like navigating with odds that don't account for road closures. You could easily end up lost. The same peril exists in genetic engineering. The stakes are alarmingly high. A single error in transgene editing could trigger crop failures, disrupt food supply chains, inflate prices, and devastate livelihoods. Yet, the real threat lies in our complacency. Many accept A's guidance without scrutiny, unaware that unchecked data can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Imagine a scientist engrossed in research, oblivious to the subtle stress signals that could spell disaster. It's a chilling reality. As we confront this issue, the tension escalates. What happens when the technology we trust fails us? Can we afford to gamble with our food system when so much is at stake? However, it's not all doom and gloom. We can enhance A's accuracy in transgene editing by integrating more comprehensive data and refining algorithms to better detect stress signals and learn from them. So, as you ponder this, ask yourself, are we too quick to trust without thorough examination? The future of genetic engineering depends on our ability to recognize these hidden dangers. Stay alert, our food system may depend on it. What if I told you that the very technology designed to save lives might be hiding some dangerous secrets? You think you understand transgene editing? Think again. This issue goes beyond science. It touches on trust, accuracy, and the future of our food and health. Imagine a world where a simple tweak to a gene could lead to unexpected consequences. Many people believe A is flawless in this process, but that's not entirely true. There are hidden cracks beneath the surface that you might not even notice. Picture scientists in a lab, excited to introduce a new genetically modified crop that promises higher yields and pest resistance. Sounds perfect, right? But what happens when those modifications lead to unintended mutations? Suddenly, that groundbreaking idea could result in allergens or toxins that no one anticipated. Now, consider the human side of this. A family eagerly tries a new gene-edited food product, convinced it's safe. But when the mother suddenly develops an unexplained allergy, alarm bells start ringing. This isn't just a rare incident. Hidden flaws in A can lead to errors in transgene edits, putting everyone at risk. Let's dive into the algorithms behind these edits. They are designed for efficiency, but sometimes they miss critical details, and when that happens, the consequences can be enormous. What if every tool you're relying on to cure diseases is actually miscalculating the risks? Every step of the editing process carries hidden dangers. From selecting a target gene to final approval, each choice shapes the future. Yet, many people trust these complex systems without a second thought. Would you feel differently if you knew how often these systems can fail? Imagine walking through a supermarket, surrounded by products made to enhance your life. So, through bio and hence super buyout is you pick up a package that looks perfect, promising health benefits. But lurking behind that shiny exterior could be a flaw waiting to surface. As we peel back these layers, the tension grows. The more we uncover, the more unsettling it becomes. What if the food on your plate has been engineered with hidden risks? Would you still trust it, or would you start to question everything? Let's take a moment to pause. You might be wondering if there's a solution. You might be wondering if there's a solution. How can we navigate this uncertain landscape? The answer lies in transparency, accountability, and a thorough review process that doesn't just accept AI at face value. As we reflect on this, consider the future. Are you willing to gamble on technology that has fully proven itself? The stakes are high, and the risks are real. Take a moment to think about what you've heard. When it comes to transgene editing, knowledge is power, and that power could shape the world you live in tomorrow. Don't let complacency cloud your judgment. Comply. You just the G cloud Stay informed and stay curious. Your health may depend on it. What if I told you there's something lurking beneath the surface of genetic editing that could change how you view transgene technology? You might see it as a reliable ally, but is it really as flawless as it seems? Imagine a world where we can edit genes with pinpoint accuracy, erasing diseases before they even surface. It sounds like science fiction, right? Ryan says. Ryan says. Yet, this is happening now. While it promises groundbreaking advancements, it also conceals a complex web of challenges that even experts struggle to navigate. Here's the surprising truth: many people don't realize that the AI systems designed to enhance accuracy often have hidden flaws. These flaws can lead to unexpected outcomes that affect not just individual organisms but entire ecosystems. Just think about that for a moment. Now, picture yourself making a decision based on AI recommendations. You trust the data and algorithm. But what if those algorithms are missing crucial information? What if they overlook something vital, leading to genetic disasters? Suddenly, relying on technology doesn't feel as secure, does it? Let's explore this further. In one notable case, researchers discovered that an AI system had missed a simple yet critical genetic sequence. Imagine if that sequence held an essential immunity trait. The fallout could be catastrophic, leaving crops vulnerable or allowing diseases to cross species. Are we blindly trusting technology? The truth is, There's a fine line between innovation and recklessness. Relying solely on A without considering its potential blind spots can be risky, especially in agriculture and medicine. As we move forward, it's crucial to question not only the outcomes but also the processes that lead to them. You might ask, is there a safety net? But what if that safety net has holes? Picture a farmer using A to genetically modify crops, convinced he's creating the next superplant. The excitement is palpable until the crops fail or, worse, they spread unintended consequences to neighboring lands. How devastating would that be? So, what can we do? We can start by advocating for transparency. We should demand that scientists and A developers clarify how their systems work.